Go.
Okay, so today we're in the flood damaged Volvo S60. Everything so far, touch wood, seems to be working except for the electric seats. The clutch does feel a little bit, has a bit of pulsating going on, so it might need a throw-out bearing. Engine wise, so far at least, pretty healthy.
Pulls like a D5.
Pulls like a D5, as it should. Yes, we're on temporary Kubo insurance at the moment, so we've got 3 hours to drive this thing, then we have to put it on drive back on the driveway.
You don't have to put it on the driveway.
Yeah, no, you kind of do.
Oh yeah, because something hits into it.
Yeah, it's complicated, but basically it's, you know, it's £13 for 3 hours, which is quite a lot in the grand scheme of things, but it's not really when you consider the overall cost. And I was doing 70 there and I didn't even realise it.
That's how nice.
55.
What's the steering like?
Steering's pretty good, positive.
Yep. That was very close.
The car is in better condition than a lot of the roads around here.
Bit of rust.
I'm going to take it to Elscombe Airfield for a bit of a jog.
There's a little bit of rust, but we shall
Talk about that too much. It's nothing
no,
too bad.
because it's only it's a cheap car.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
It's only surface rust.
Yep.
It doesn't matter like your nan, so to speak. It's got some torque, it really has.
It has, yeah. Because it's manual as well, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not like a really crap automatic gearbox in the other thing we have.
Yeah, it feels like a moped when you're like driving it. Like when it's heated up, it feels horrible.
The automatic gearbox is stuff.
Horrible. Horrible when it's heated up.